Most people get this wrong. They think Eagle BNPL is just another buy now, pay later app. The surprising truth in 2026 is that Eagle BNPL has grown into a full-featured financial platform, offering flexible installment plans, early wage access, and spending insights to help users manage their money wisely. Here's how it works. Eagle BNPL lets you split purchases into smaller payments over time, often interest-free for certain periods. This can make large purchases more manageable and prevent unexpected financial strain. On top of that, the app allows early access to earned wages in emergencies, helping users cover urgent expenses without relying on high-interest credit cards. The interface is clean and user-friendly. You can track your payment schedules, view upcoming purchases, and monitor your spending habits. Notifications ensure you never miss a payment, helping to avoid fees and maintain a good financial record. The downside, overusing Eagle BNPL can become expensive. Fees and interest can pile up if payments are missed, so it's crucial to treat it as a short-term tool rather than a long-term financial plan. Tips for responsible use. 1. Only use installment plans you can realistically repay on time. 2. Set reminders to track payment deadlines. 3. Keep a small emergency fund to minimize reliance on the app. Who benefits most? Users with a steady income who occasionally need help managing larger purchases or prefer to spread costs over time. Those with irregular income or poor repayment discipline may face higher costs. In conclusion, Eagle BNPL in 2026 is a flexible tool if used responsibly. Plan your payments, track spending, and use it as a temporary aid. Subscribe for honest reviews and practical money tips to stay financially in control.